Hello again, and here we are in part 4, which we will look at how AI is being applied in the real world, and what are the crucial ethical principles that guides its responsible use of the AIs of the AI. So, you might already know that AI now is used in auto grading and also content generation, tutoring. You can use AI to teach you something. So if you don't understand something, you can ask the AI. You can build your system to tutor you, like the chatbot. You can put the knowledge, the subject that you are studying, and then you ask it certain questions to prepare you for the exam. To also create a personalized learning path for each student. If you look at the use of AI in healthcare, AI is making significant improvement. It can analyze radiology images like X-ray, MRIs to detect anomaly. It assists also doctors to make faster and more accurate diagnostics. Also, it can build patient support bots that help answering their questions and also manage their appointments. In business, also it can be very helpful. AI is the backbone now of modern customer services. They have very sophisticated chatbots that answer the question and requirement of the customers. It's also used to productivity analysis. It will forecast, for example, the sales or market trends. Also, it's essential in fraud detection, where algorithm can identify suspicious transactions in real time. It doesn't need to be dealt sometimes later. It's a real time detection. Building AI, it has some responsibility. With such powerful tools, there comes a great responsibility. This brings us to the core principles of responsible AI. These are not optionals, these are mandatory. These are essentials. We have to build our system, our AI, as a fair system. We ensure AI does not discriminate anyone, either individuals or groups. We need to build, a transparent AI tools. We make sure that we can understand how an AI reach its decisions. So it's not a black box. There is a transparency of why did you choose this recommendation. Accountability. Someone must be responsible for what the AI does. So it's not just building the system. Also, you need to be responsible of its action. Safety also is very important. The system must be reliable and secure. So there is no, risks of cybersecurity. Also, privacy. The system has to must protect the user data. Having these in mind, we having these in mind with the benefits, with the guidelines, we must be aware of the challenges. There is big challenges of building an AI. So the first one is over reliance. And you might feel it these days of people that rely on AI tools heavily. We cannot let AI replace our own critical thinking. Be careful, guys. The final judgment must be always by human, not by AI. Also, one of the big challenges is the bias. If the data used to train the AI is biased, then AI will be biased. One of the challenges is the misuse of the AI tools. So it can be used in deepfake, for example, right? So we need to be very careful. Sometimes it's used to spread misleading information. One of the biggest challenges in AI is hallucination. You need to be, sure that the data, AI, sometimes hallucinate. Okay, so it's not always correct. It's not always true. They generate information that is completely false, but presented with absolute confidence. You must always verify AI output. So if it says, a system, there is a regulation says so, or, Dr. Saleh said so and so, it doesn't mean that it's correct. It might just build it from its own. So you need to be careful with AI hallucination. Okay, here we came to the end of our lecture 9. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you, and have a nice day.